Hey guys, welcome back to another video. With this particular video, you guys, you can see my stuff. Okay, you guys, in this particular video, what we're going to make is ceviche, two ways. We're going to make it with shrimp and we're going to make it with calamari. So, let me get everything all chopped up. Oh, let me show you what I got first. I've got a orange bell pepper. I've got a yellow bell pepper. I've got a red bell pepper. I need to find my green bell pepper. I've got some calamari in sunflower oil. I've got some shrimp. And I've got some limes and some onions. And I've also got some mango. These are actually, for another video, some fruit I got from the Asian market. I got some dragon fruit. Ooh, golden dragon fruit. Those are going to be good. So I'm going to do a video on those. I just thought they were so pretty, I should keep them in my video. So you guys, I'm going to get this all chopped up and then I'll come back. All right, thank you. Hey guys, I'm back. So let me tell you what I've done so far. I have cut up my, I took a third of the peppers. Let's see this. So I took a third of the yellow, the orange, and the red. This is all 3 onions, that's a lot. And right now I'm finishing up cutting up my mangoes. Because one of them is a tropical ceviche. So that's what the mango's for. So what I have left to do is I've got to blanch my shrimp. And then cut them up and then we can do the assembling. And actually I think I'm going to release this video today. Anybody wants to? Yeah, I got to blanch my shrimp. These are the shrimp I'm using. Those and some colossal. I'm not making a whole lot because it's just going to be me eating it. But, good. Okay. So, let me cut these down a little bit. They got more bell peppers than I need, but it's alright. Throw some of this in that neck bone. I'm going to throw in my little crock pot. Okay, y'all. So we use these parts for the ceviche. I'm no chef, so don't judge my cutting skills. I'm happy with them though. That'll be just for presentation, y'all. I wonder if I should dice these up. Nah. I'll get more substance to my dish if I keep them big like this. Okay, so those are my extra ones here. I wonder if I need more green. What do y'all think? No, yes, no, maybe. All right. This here because I still got to cut up. And what I'm going to do with the octopus, it's in sunflower. I'm going to taste it. I might leave it in there because I like that octopus. This octopus here. If you see my previous video where I cooked one, I cooked it in an Instapot and then I seared it. Oh man, it was good. These right here are really, really good. Really, really good. And it's just basic octopus, sunflower oil, and salt. That is it. But I tell you, this is good. It's very inexpensive. If you go to I get these at Walmart for like $2, $2-3. I get it right there where I get the tuna. You know what? I'm making me a tuna sandwich tonight for dinner. I'm always making myself hungry. But that's what this is, you guys. And let me get my shrimp blanched and figure out whether I'm going to leave it in the oil or if I'm going to rinse the oil off. And I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have our calamari. I decided to just drain the oil off of it. I didn't want to rinse it. It has a good flavor. I like it. I blanched these shrimp. Basically, I put them in hot water. And as soon as they started turning pink, I took them out. I cut them up in bite-sized pieces. And this is about 6 colossal shrimp. And here's our mango and our peppers and our onion. And then here is our lime and onion. And I also have some lemon juice, just in case this isn't enough. So let me get us I got our mixing bowl. But let me get let me get one other thing, and I'll be right back, and then we'll start assembling. All right, thanks. Be right back. All right, guys, I've got our serving bowls and my mixing bowl, but didn't get my, well, I don't need it. I'll just use this, my tongs. Okay, so we're going to start. Can you see me? Okay, we're going to start assembling. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to do our shrimp. We're going to do our shrimp first because that one has oil in it. And we're going to use the same bowl. So I'm going to take our shrimp. Let's see, let that have a little juice in it. Okay. I'm not a chef, but I do like to experiment. You're going to take the mango. I just realized I got enough to make me a little mango salsa. And then we're going to move this out of the way. I'm going to take some of this orange, some of the red, some of the yellow, some of the green. Oh yeah, I can make me a mango salsa after this. Oh, I didn't cut up the onion, so hold on, y'all. I mean the lemon and lime. I boiled it a little bit so that it can be juicy. So, trying to make this video too long. Okay, and the ceviche part is where it actually, the juice from the lime and the lemon finish cooking the shrimp. Okay, put that trash bag, and I gotta retrieve these. I think that part out with the seeds. I'm fishing the seeds out, y'all. I just have to get them out with a spoon. Okay. Ooh. I just saw the Chef Johnny. I watch Nina Unrated Eats, and she went to this casino, and they have a all-you-can-eat seafood buffet. So guess where I'm going when I go to Florida? To the casino. Got to meet the chef and show him. This is the second time. If you look back and you see my red snapper video, that's where I got that recipe from. Okay. All right. A little messy, y'all. And then, of course, I got to have what? My steak seasoning. I hope I didn't put too much in there. Sometimes I overkill it. So, what I'm going to do, mix it. Y'all see that? Okay. I didn't render enough juice. So what we're going to do, y'all, Fefe style. So, put that off in there. Plate that up. Okay, you guys. Put that up right there. And now we're going to do this one. We're going to do the octopus, but we're not going to put any mango in it. Okay? So. And I'm greedy, y'all. I'm always eating. I know. I'm doing the red and orange. This ain't no pretty video, y'all. But it's going to be a tasty video. And if you make ceviche, let me know how you make yours. The first time I had ceviche, I had conch ceviche. and it was in the Bahamas. It was good. More cream. Okay, and here goes the drained. So we're just gonna do a little bit of lemon juice. We don't have to do too much on this one. And you guys, don't be afraid to experiment. You're missing out on so many different things, especially octopus. Did you know octopus is like almost like it's like beef and pork to us over in Portugal and Spain. All right, y'all. Let's get that plated. Put that right back in the bowl. Like I said, I'm only making enough for me. Cause my doorbell rang. My son had ordered Postmates or something. It was Postmates or Fefe or Uber or which one he ordered. Alright, let me get that out of the way. And then let me get this presentation ready, and then you guys can see the final product. I'll get this all cleaned up. I'll be right back. Y'all, sorry I'm back. You know me. Hold on. Got my spoon. You guys, I just thought of something. Since I had the cutting board out and I had all this stuff, I might as well just go ahead and make my salsa now. So I'm going to make my rendition of a mango salsa. And then I'm also going to put my prepare my neck bones. I'm gonna cook it in my rice cooker. Should be ready in about an hour. I love that little rice cooker. I'm telling you, boy, it be doing some damage. Some people gut the tomato. I don't. I like all that juiciness. And I'm not a chef. I'll say it again. I'm not a chef, but guess what? Oh. I like to cook. And if you want to make fun of me, that's fine. Just put it in the comment section. In the comment section. Alright. But if you have any suggestions of something I could change, something I could add, or something I might want to try, put it in the comment section. Boy, I tell you, they just having too much fun off in there. Dice this up. So, in order to make my mango salsa, what I'm going to do, bring my bowl back over here. And I'm going to take the tomatoes. My avocado. Ooh, whoever talked to me tonight, honey, they gonna smell all this on you. Okay. Do-do-do-do-do-do. You know, a lot of people get rid of the ends on their bell peppers because of their appearance is not so pretty. But we don't like to waste stuff over here. That's a lot of yellow. I might put too many in there, but oh well. Okay. And enough red, really. And this orange. Let's see. And of course, you guys, guess what I'm going to put in here? Just a little bit. And put it there, right there. And my son had got me. I was telling him to go get me some cilantro, y'all. I don't know what kind of cilantro this is, but I'm going to get some sprigs off of here. This is what we're going to do, y'all. Fefe style. You work with what you got. You plan for a better day the next time. Okay. Okay. Hang on there. Something's missing something. Okay. I think that piece needs to go in my mouth. Not in the bowl. Okay, y'all. All right, Fefe's mango salsa, y'all. There we go. And then we got our finale. All right, hold on. Let me go get the neck bones, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I got things pretty much plated up, but I did want to show you. I'm going to put some minced garlic. Big, nice, whopping. 2 of them. Sounds good. Feels good. Uh-oh. Sorry you can't see my face. So, and then I've got some minced ginger. Put it right there. And you know what? I'm feeling myself, y'all. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to put some crushed red peppers. Feeling myself just a little bit. There we go. Can you put anything else? Okay. Just a little kick. There we go. And voila. Let me show you the final product. I just have to sit this in the refrigerator so that it can cool. And all those flavors can merge. You see that? This is our octopus ceviche. This right here is our shrimp ceviche. And this right here is my mango impromptu salsa. And these are going to be my neck bones. This is my rice cooker bowl. So my neck bones, put my seasonings up in there. And you guys, I'm ready to rock and roll. So once this cools and gets to a nice temperature in the refrigerator, then I'll be able to eat that. Probably make me some toast to put that on. And it's going to be on like Donkey Kong. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you made it this far in the video, give me 5 purple hearts. Y'all have a good one. Bye.